Welcome to Direct4x4. Today we're going to show you how to put our new mod rack together. This is the 135. Now these mod racks will fit the Ford Ranger 2015 Plus, the Isuzu D-Max 12 Plus, the Mitsubishi L200 15 Plus, and the Nissan NP300 15 Plus, and the Toyota Hilux 16 Plus. Now these are for the pickups, for the roof of the pickups. Let's have a look, shall we, how we can put this together now. Took it out of the box, and basically we've turned it upside down because that's the best starting position when you want to start this. Let's just watch Callum as he puts this first strut in. The two ends with the end caps on are either end, obviously the side bars there. Let's have a look how he does it first. We'll need two of you at this stage, because to get the ends in, we just slot in on the lugs like that. And then the same the other end. And then what you need to do then is just put your screws, which are here. I've laid them all out on the floor so we know exactly what we've got. These are the small screws, and you don't need any washers on these, and these just slot in and tighten up on, so it keeps the whole frame in position. So they just slot in like this, and you do have a little Allen key that comes with it that you can do that with, and then that just keeps it all in position. Make sure it's tight in and you've got it right, and you do that all the way round with all 8 screws, and that keeps it nice and tight and firm in position. Right. Once you've got the frame together and it's all in place with the bolts provided, you've got your square frame, your 2 struts going across. You then pick up one of the larger slats like this, and with the screw holes there, you place it underneath. Callum will just show you how it works and how it fits on the actual frame. You've got 2 holes there, and they should line up, and the same 2 on the other side. It slots in quite comfortably, and then you put the bolts in with a washer, with a spring washer, and it's the same process for all 4 of them to put those in position. Once you've got all of your 4 struts on across the roof rack itself, you then put these plastic spacers like that. They slot in into position in the grooves provided, and then what you do then is you use, again with the longer bolts with the washer on, just put them in place, and that keeps it all nice and spaced out, and tighten them up as you go round. You'll put another one in there, on there, with a nut in, a spring washer and a washer. It keeps it nice and spaced out on the actual square, so it keeps it all level. So once you've got your roof rack together, your spacers are in place and screwed down. You then use the eyelets. So obviously you want to attach things to the roof. You just slot them in like that, and then you just keep turning them until they go tight. You can use a washer underneath if you wanted, but they do actually fit. One on each side, just slots in nicely and tightens up. So you've then got something you can attach to your bungees or whatever. And that's basically the roof rack. Now to fix it to the top of the truck, onto top of the Ranger, D-Max, whatever your MP300, you've then got special fittings, which we'll do another video on that one to show you how that actually fits. But I will tell you, on that one you do have to remove the lining inside the cab to actually put them bolts in and then put everything back again. It's just the lining inside the cab comes down a little way, so it does actually work that way, but I'll show you that on another video next time. Thank you for watching Direct4x4. That's just how to put a mod rack together, the new ones we've got coming in stock.